Hi and welcome to maths class. Well children, we are doing exercise 3.4. 3.3 I had given you as self practice, which was based on divisibility test. Now this is about finding the common factors. You have already studied how to write down the factors of all the factors of given number. Based on that, we are going to find out the common factors of the given 2 or 3 numbers. So our first question in under exercise 3.4, find the common factors of 20 and 28. You will write down the factors of 20 as I have taught you. Orally you can list out like this if you know the multiplication table, or you have to go like this. You check out the table right from 1 to 10. Then you get all the factors of the given number. 20, 1 20s are, 2 10s are, 4 5s are, 5 4s are, 10 2s are. And that's the end of, and this is how you write factors of 20, 1, 2, 4, 5, 10 and 20. Don't take the repeated factors. Similarly, write down the factors of 28, list it out like this, and then underline those factors which come in both the numbers. 20 and 28, when you check the factors, you can see that 1 is there in 20 and 28, 2 is also there in both the numbers, 4 is also there in both the numbers. So 1, 2, 4 are the common factors. See, you need not take it twice, you only have to take once. This is first common factor, this is the second common factor, and this is the third common factor. Either you circle it or you underline it to remember the factors. Similarly, you will do it for 15 and 25. सारे factors 15 और 25 के लिखो, फिर underline करो common factors को. Here I have mentioned CF. CF stands for common factor. यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हो 1 और 5, ये दो factors हैं जो 15 में भी है और 25 में भी है. So common factor of 15 and 25 are 1, 5. आगे बढ़ते हैं. You can see 35 and 50. I have solved it for you, and you have also received the PDF of this exercise. Hope you don't require any more explanation of each and every sum under this first question. You can see I have written the factors and I have underlined over here itself, and common factors are 1, 2 and 4. This was about question number 1. Now similarly question number 2, but here you have 3 numbers. Find the common factors of 4, 8 and 12. So write down factors of all the 3 numbers. 4 comes in 1 stable, 2 stable and 4 stable. 8 comes in 1 stable, 2 stable, 4 stable and 8 stable. And 12 comes in 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. So these are the factors of 4, 8, 12. Now underline the common factors, the numbers that come in all the 3 numbers. You have to take those factors which are present in all the 3 numbers. ऐसा नहीं कि एक फैक्टर 2 नंबर में अवेलेबल है, तीसरे में नहीं है तो आप ले लो, नहीं. You cannot take. You have to go for the factors which are present in all the 3 numbers. So 1, 2 and 4 are the common factors of 4, 8 and 12. Similarly, you will go for 5, 15 and 25. You can see common factors 1 and 5. In case if there are no common factors, then at least 1 will be there as a common factor, and that will be the answer. Common factor 1 will be the answer. Here we move on to the third question. Find the first 3 common multiples. You know what are multiples. the product of two factors gives you the multiple. So here you have to write first three common multiples. Common multiples first three, not first three multiples but first three common multiples. इसलिए आपको multiples of 6 and 8 you have to write. आपको इस तरह से multiples लिखने होंगे ताकि इन दोनों के बीच में पहला 3 मल्टीपल जो कॉमन होगा वो आपको लेना है, कि ना कि पहले 3 मल्टीपल्स लिख डाले 6 के, फिर 3 मल्टीपल्स ऑफ 8 लिख डाले और उसमें से आपने कॉमन निकाला. नहीं, ऐसा नहीं करना है. यू हैव टू राइट डाउन द मल्टीपल्स ऑफ 6 टिल सर्टेन एक्सटेंट एंड यू ऑल्सो हैव टू रन योर ग्रे सेल्स. मल्टीपल्स लिखते वक्त आपको जजमेंट लेना है, आपको आइडिया आ जाना चाहिए कि कहाँ तक आपको लिखना है. जैसे मैंने 6 का लिखा तो पहले मैंने कहाँ तक लिखा, 10 तक उसका लिखा. आई रोट इट टिल 10 and then 66 I took. Then I tried to recollect the multiples of 8. I knew it 24 और 48 मुझे मिल जाएगा अगर मैं 10 तक का मल्टीपल ले लूँ 6 का. तो 6 का मैंने 10 तक लिखा और 8 का मैंने लिखना शुरू किया तो मैंने देखा 48, 24 और 48 दो मल्टीपल्स तो आ गए. तो अभी आगे बढ़ने लगी. देन आई ट्राइड टू चेक इट आउट. अब ये हुआ कि 60 यहाँ पे 10 तक 60 आ रहा है, तो अब तीसरा जो कॉमन मल्टीपल होगा दैट विल बी ग्रेटर दैन 60. सो आई हैव टू राइट फ्यू मोर मल्टीपल्स ओवर हियर. सो आई रोट 3 मोर मल्टीपल्स, 66, 72, 78, 6 11 ज़ा, 6 12 ज़ा, 6 13 ज़ा. सो यहाँ पे मुझे 10 तक के मल्टीपल लिखे तो उसमें मुझे तीसरा कॉमन मल्टीपल मिल गया. सो दिस इज़ हाउ आई हैव रिटन. And then circle it out, write down the first three common multiple of 6 and 8. You get 24, 48 and 72. I have done the second sum for you. दो ही है शायद उसमें. Question number 3, sum number 2. You have to write down the first three common multiple of 12 and 18. So you can see here 18 6 तक जाते ही आपको 3 कॉमन मल्टीपल्स मिल गए. मैंने 12 के 10 तक का मल्टीपल लिखा था तो आई हैड टू राइट 18 ओनली टिल 6. नो नीड ऑफ राइटिंग द रेस्ट ऑफ द मल्टीपल. आपको दूसरे नंबर का मल्टीपल लिखते वक्त आपको अगर थर्ड कॉमन मल्टीपल मिल रहा है तो यू नीड नॉट गो टिल 10.